What's up guys, I'm Dean aka the Blue Crusader. Welcome back to the channel. Cryptocurrencies have surged in popularity in the recent months and the price of currencies such as Bitcoin specifically has skyrocketed. Today we're going to be counting down the top 10 richest Bitcoin and cryptocurrency millionaires. Number 10. Yifu Guo. A student from New York University, NYU, Guo was the first engineer of the first Bitcoin miner. By 2012 he had founded a company called Avalon, which had the sole purpose of being a Bitcoin mining company and the first of its kind. Avalon's miners were extremely popular and thus were being sold off after release at a much higher asking price. By the time Guo had left Avalon, many other companies had already started to build and sell their own Bitcoin mining rigs. However, he was the first to do it and has become a millionaire through these innovations. His estimated net worth is around $5 million. Number 9. Tony Gallippi. Gallippi founded a company also. His company, called BitPay, was the first one to create a payment processor using the coin. As of this year, the site processes around $1 million worth of Bitcoin payments daily. His company is referred to as the first one to have forged agreements with major known retailers. His estimated net worth at the time of making this video is appraised at around $20 million. Number 8. Jared Kenna. Kenna began to start his investments in Bitcoin when its value was around 20 cents per coin. He began his investments with a healthy sum of money and began to see the results of his strategy after a few years. He also was the founder of several other creations and ventures, including TradeHill, his first company which worked as an anonymous Bitcoin dark mining pool. He is now the owner of a craft brewery branch in Colombia and over 20 collaborative workspaces in San Francisco for entrepreneurs. Kenna's current net worth is $30 million. Number 7. Dave Carlson. Dave Carlson created a Bitcoin mining company called Mega Big Power, founding it from his basement. In 2016 it was reported he may be making around $8 million per month. His net worth is rumoured to be around $35 million. Number 6. Charlie Shrem. Shrem has a more interesting story of sorts on how he became a Bitcoin millionaire. Like many others, he began to collect the coins in the earlier stages when they had little value. When he was 11 years old, he created a company called BitInstant. According to the source ValueWalk.com, he was allegedly arrested and found guilty in 2014 for money laundering in black market sales on the site Silk Road. In 2016 he founded a new company known as the Intellisys Capital, in which he began to sell investment portfolios for blockchain companies. His net worth is valued at around $45 million. Number 5. Roger Ver. Some call Ver the Jesus of Bitcoin, or simply Bitcoin Jesus. At the time of writing their article in September 2017, ValueWalk.com noted Roger Ver as being the wealthiest Bitcoin millionaire, not including the FBI and Satoshi Nakamoto, who we will get onto later. Before he even invested in the cryptocurrency, Roger was already a millionaire and was doing well for himself. He is known to be a charitable individual and invested in the Bitcoin startup originally, as well as investing in a previous member of this list, Charlie Shrem, and his company BitInstant. Roger Ver has an estimated net worth of $52 million. Number 4. Barry Silbert. Silbert has been a long-time player in the Bitcoin market. Like many other strategists in this field, people mocked him for their hopeful bets on the currency that he had. Once he won over 48,000 credits in an auction that was held by the US Marshals Service in 2014. Around this time the prices were around $350, but at this current time his coins could give him an estimated net worth of $110 million. He is currently working on building a rival financial product to Winklevoss ETF and is likely to own more than the sum of coins he originally won. Number 3. The FBI. Although a very strange and unexpected addition to this list, there is however a backstory to this one. According to the India Times as the source, Ross Ulbricht, also known as Dread Pirate Roberts and the creator of the black market website The Silk Road, had become a millionaire through investing in bitcoins anonymously at a time they were valued under $1,000. After a long and tedious process and operation, thanks to the anonymous factor of the Bitcoin, he was arrested and sentenced to life in prison for multiple crimes. At the time of the FBI shutting down the site and confiscating the sum of over 144,000 Bitcoins, the FBI became the owner of the largest Bitcoin wallet, valuing their net worth from this sole incident at around $100 million. Number 2. The Winklevoss Twins. It wasn't easy to place these individuals on the list. However, notorious for their chivalrous legality issues with the Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg over ownership of the social media idea, they also launched several of their own successful ventures, and not so long ago their combined net worth was around $400 million. Some time ago they had earned around $11 million in Bitcoin, and in 2013 they invested in the BitInstant Bitcoin service. Sometime around this period they also founded Winklevoss, a service with the purpose to track the average price of Bitcoin as a currency, even opening their own exchange in 2015. However, as the Bitcoin surged into the thousand figures this month, December 2017, CNBC.com claimed that the Winklevoss Twins' $11 million Bitcoin net worth in 2013, when the coin was valued at $120 per piece, may now have even reached just north of $1 billion, as Bitcoin plummeted to $11,700 and above. Number 1. Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is almost an invisible figure and probably the definition of the word anonymous, just like his coin. Noted as the founder and creator of the Bitcoin, he has not been seen publicly for many years. He is rumoured to own more than 5% of all Bitcoins in circulation, as well as a lot of the earliest wallets. Although his identity is unknown, he is said to be number 1 on the richest list of Bitcoin tycoons, with his net worth being valued somewhere in the billions ballpark. Thanks for watching this video. Who do you think is the richest on this list as of the time of watching this video? Leave your comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll see you next time.